The person you are thinking about is currently feeling a shift in their energy towards you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to share the exact manifestation frequency that bypasses their ego and speaks directly to their heart. By the end of this video, you won't just feel chosen. You will see the physical proof in your reality. If you are ready to be their only priority, listen closely, because the old version of your relationship ends right now. You are moving into a timeline where you are not just an option, but a soul deep necessity for their lifetime of happiness. The more you listen to this, the easier and more powerful it will become. Now close your eyes, take a deep breath in through your nose, and let it out through your mouth. Now imagine a pink light at the crown of your head. Feel it melting down over your brow, your jaw, and into your shoulders. Every muscle is softening. You are becoming a magnet. As you breathe, imagine the old version of waiting and uncertainty leaving your body like a gray mist. In its place, feel a warm pink glow filling your chest. This is your heart center, the frequency where they are no longer ignoring the pull towards you. Visualize them now. See their face clearly. In this space, there is no pride, no fear, and no third parties. See them looking at you and realizing that no matter where they go or who they meet, no one feels like home quite like you do. Feel the weight of their decision lifting off of them as they choose you. They are finally realizing that a lifetime of happiness is only possible with you by their side. Experience the relief in your body. The search is over. You are the one. Feel the surge of joy as you realize you are their first thought, their last thought, and their only choice. I am the only priority in their life. I am the only priority in their life. The frequency of love bypasses all obstacles. The frequency of love bypasses all obstacles. They are choosing me now and for a lifetime of happiness. They are choosing me now and for a lifetime of happiness. I am irreplaceable. I am irreplaceable. I am unforgettable. I am unforgettable. I am deeply cherished. I am deeply cherished. Every day their desire to be with me grows stronger. Every day their desire to be with me grows stronger. They see a future with me and only me. They see a future with me and only me. Our connection is the highest vibration of love. Our connection is the highest vibration of love. I claim my reality as the chosen one right now. I claim my reality as the chosen one right now. As you begin to return to your physical space, hold on to this feeling of being chosen. This isn't just a meditation, it is a recalibration of your reality. Now gently wiggle your fingers and toes and open your eyes when you are ready. To anchor this energy and lock in this manifestation, I want you to go to the comments right now and type, I am their only choice for a lifetime of happiness. By typing this, you are claiming this frequency in the physical world. Listen to this meditation every day as much as possible. The more you listen to this, the faster it anchors into their soul. In the coming days, keep your eyes open for a small white feather in your path. When you see it, know it is the physical confirmation from the universe that your person is currently making the decision to choose you over everyone else. And to speed up the process and bypass the common blocks that keep people in waiting mode, visit my website joybyjanell.com and get my free obsession spell.